I told you about the freedom and all, and today my topic is freedom of expression, which I told you yesterday also that my topic will be freedom of expression. Fine. What do you mean? I told you that you have a in our Indian democratic system, you have a fundamental right of freedom of expression. This is your fundamental right. So ये freedom of expression है क्या? One of the issues here it is. One of the issues that is considered to belong to the minimum and non-interference. Freedom of expression means minimum non-interference. आपके आप जब एक्सप्रेस करते हो उसमें कोई आपको इंटरफेयर न करे. आई सेड देन इंटरफेयर इससे पहले मिनिमम लिखा हुआ है, मतलब बिल्कुल ही इंटरफेरेंस ना हो तो उसे कहेंगे फ्रीडम ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन. Suppose now, for example, lots of people are against Modi. For example, Rahul Gandhi says whatever he says about, right, many things he used to say against Modi. Then if Modi, Modi also says something, right? Both of them, they have got the power of freedom of expression. So it is freedom of expression that Jess was said that it good reason why freedom of expression should not be restricted. That is good case for the discussion. लेकिन जेस मिल्स ये कहते हैं कि फ्रीडम ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन को रेस्ट्रिक्टेड होना चाहिए. ये नहीं कि जो मन में आए आप किसी के प्रति कह दो. सपोज यू डोंट लाइक अ फ्रेंड, earlier you like the same one. Suppose you don't like your friend's quality and his habits or whosoever. Well, you cannot say it in public. If you're saying it public, then says it's my freedom of expression. Whatever I can say against a person, I have got the right. No, this should not be. James Mill said. Mill says no, it should not be. There should be some criteria. There should be some rule or regulation. Not, there should be some type of discipline when you are going to say something against someone. Freedom of expression doesn't mean that you use or whatever the unwanted language, uncivilized language against the person. He says there should be some type of restriction. At various limits, there have been demands to ban books. अब आप देख लीजिए कई किताबें जो हैं, एक नथुराम गॉडसे के बड़े भाई गोपाल गॉडसे ने एक बुक लिखी थी, वाई आई किल गांधी. और एक और बुक आई थी, अब तो वो ओपन हो चुकी है. और एक अनदर बुक वाज देयर that this is now it's trending in YouTube also, that more than 100 causes to kill Gandhi. Now somebody says it's nice if you kill Gandhi. Somebody says that he was a Mahatma. He was a father. He was designated as a father of nation. You should not kill. So there is a controversy. But both of you used to say according to their will. Somebody is positive towards killing of Gandhi. Somebody is non-positive to killing the Gandhi, as it happened to Mrs. Indira Gandhi also. Many leaders, Abraham Lincoln, he was also killed. Right. So they were banned books of, let us think about it. And there was a banned books, particularly films, on academic articles in research journals. Let us think about the demand to ban books in light of our discussion. So far, so for a while, sees freedom as a making of choices, where the distinction is that between negative and positive liberty. Again, this is a negative and positive liberty, that you like a person or you don't like a person. But these has to be supported by proper procedures and important moral arguments. Important moral arguments should also be there. Right? Freedom of expression is a fundamental value and for the society must be willing to some inconvenience to protect it from people who want to restrict it. Remember, what happens, this freedom of expression, it should be like this, that it should not hurt a person. It should be like a debate that whatever you like, you say me, or you say the nation in a positive manner. देखिए, एक I told you yesterday, sorry, there is a lot of difference between arguments and debates. Arguments means you are not listening to a person. You are arguing that you are correct, another one is incorrect. No, it should not be like this. If you debate means you put your words in a civilized manner, right? You are positive or negative on a particular topic. Another person is also there. He argues in a proper manner. He argues, I said, but in a proper manner. That is called debate. So for example, many aspects are there that you should not this one you should not hang a culprit. फांसी की सजा नहीं होनी चाहिए. Somebody says फांसी की सजा तो होनी चाहिए. It's a डर बना रहता है. Lot of people say controversial aspect to each other. Yes, you can say, you can be against the government. No, no, no problem. You can be against the government. You can be against the government's policy, whatever the policy government acquiring or accepting, or creating policies are being created, right, for to run the government. Maybe you are not agreeing with that particular policy, but yes, it's your right. You can express yourself. You can express it into your newspapers also. Somebody says that C-70 article should be good. It should be continued. He said, but Modi government says no. C-70 article is divided between Jammu and Kashmir in India, and Jammu and Kashmir is an integral part of India, and now it's a part. Debates are continuing. Debates cannot be stopped. But the arguments are there. But you can put forward the argument, but in a proper manner. So what a person, freedom of expression is a fundamental value, and for this, and I want to tell you one thing where we recognize that John Mill said Voltaire's statement. It was earlier was a John Mill, and Voltaire's statement is that's a beautiful statement. Voltaire's statement. Voltaire said, "I disapprove of whatever you say." मैं तुमसे एग्री नहीं करता. तुम जो भी कह रहे हो मैं तुमसे एग्री नहीं करता. It should be like this type of democracy should be there. मैं आपकी बात पे एग्री नहीं हूँ. Hundred of points could be there when you are not agree with somebody. Hundred of points could be there. But he said, I disapprove of what you say, but I will defend to death your right to say it. ये जरूरी नहीं है कि मैं तुम्हारी बात को मानूं. तुम जो कह रहे हो ये जरूरी नहीं है. ये ठीक नहीं है. आई डोंट एग्री. मैं बिल्कुल एग्री नहीं करता, पर मैं ये एग्री जरूर करता हूं, मरते दम तक करूंगा, कि तुम्हें अपनी बात रखने का अधिकार है. मानू ना मानू ये मेरी मर्जी. मानू ना मानू ये देश की मर्जी. मानू ना मानू it's a choice of the nation. Choice of the nation. Choice of the people. There's some verdict, some statement, they accept it or not. But to to express his views through a statement, it is his right. It is his birthright. It's a democratic country. Here, you are having every right to say anything to any government, against any person. But but that should be one that should be, you know, in a genuine manner, in a manner, in a good gesture, civilized way. It's acceptable. It could be wrong, it could be right, that's a separate issue. But you have every right to say it. It's a birthright. I think it's very clear to you. How deeply committed to this freedom of speech? हम कितने इस एक्सप्रेस की आपको बोलने का अधिकार है, ये मैं मानता हूँ। पर आपके बोलने के अधिकार को मैं जो भी आप बोल रहे हैं वो एक्सेप्ट करूंगा, ये मेरी, इट्स माय चॉइस। I don't think so. That lot of people agree with this. They basically argue it. They basically argue. They don't. They not. They are not in favor of debate. They are not in favor of express in a civilized way. Okay. So next, some years ago, Deepa Mehta, filmmaker, wanted to make a film about the widows in Varanasi. Yeah, you know Varanasi is a UP. It's a historical place. It's uh, a beautiful city. If you have not been visit to Varanasi, बनारस उसको कहते हैं. So basically, Deepa Mehta is a film director. She wanted a movie to make a movie on the plight of widows. विधवाओं की जिंदगी के ऊपर वो एक फिल्म बनाना चाहती. जिसमें उसने बेसिकली इंडियन कल्चर को नेगेटिव कलर दे दिया था. After some point, Hindus were furious. जो हिंदू संगठन था वहां पे वाराणसी में, उसने सेटलिंग कर दी थी दीपा मेहता. Go away. We will not give you the permission to make film on this topic. You cannot make a film on this topic on the land of Varanasi and against the will of Varanasi. Let's read. It sought to explore the plight of widow. विधवाओं की जिंदगी को लोगों के सामने दिखाना चाहती. But there was a strong protest from the section of the polity who that it would show India a very bad light. लेकिन लोगों ने कहा कि इंडिया को बहुत बुरा दौर से गुजरना पड़ेगा. India had to face a lot of criticism if this film is projected into the cinema halls of the East. Right. They said they will not be allowed it. Now, they said that India and it will be the name of Varanasi will be ruined. Ruined मतलब खत्म हो जाएगा, तबाह हो जाएगा वाराणसी का नाम, बनारस का नाम. और ये एक बहुत एंशियंट सिटी है, बहुत पुरानी धरोहर है, धार्मिक स्थल है हिंदुओं का वाराणसी. Right? They refused to allow it to be made any, and as a result it could not be made in Varanasi. तो उन्होंने मना कर दिया और वो फिल्म वहां पे नहीं बनी. It was subsequently made elsewhere, कहीं और बनी थी. Similarly, the book Ramayana retold by Aubrey Menon, the satanic verses by Salman Rushdie were banned. कुछ किताबें लिखी थी The Return of Ramayana. ऑब्रे मैनन ने लिखी थी। सलमान खान नहीं है, सलमान रुश्दी है। Everyone is saying Salman Khan. I knew it. Though Salman Rushdie, he's one of the great writer. He said many things in against a particular religion. Right? He wrote a book, Satanic Verses. Satanic verses का मतलब होता है शैतान की आयतें जो शैतान ने कही है उसके बारे में। He wrote a book on it. Right. So these books were banned. He expressed himself fine. Where in the book, now what happened? Another expression is there, that is a governmental management expression. जब उन्होंने देखा कि it could create a riot, इसमें तो दंगा भड़क उठेगा यदि ये किताबें पब्लिश हो गई तो, फिल्म पब्लिश हो गई तो दंगे भड़क उठेंगे. So they banned the book, they banned the film, right? The film The Last Temptation of Christ and the play Me Nathuram Bolte were also banned after protest. Me Nathuram Bolte, मतलब मैं नाथुराम गॉड से बोल रहा हूँ, उन्होंने एक किताब लिखी थी. These all books were banned. Why? They can create a chaos in the society. Expression is there, but sometimes expression can create a chaos in the society. So these books were banned. Banning it, and now what he says, banning is an easy solution for the short term since it meets the immediate demand, but it has harmful for the long term perspective of freedom in a society. Because once one began to ban, there one developed a habit of banning. Beautiful sentence. आपकी किताब बहुत अच्छी है. बैनिंग एक सॉल्यूशन नहीं है. बैनिंग जो है एक बेसिकली इजी सॉल्यूशन, बहुत इजी है कि आप एक किताब को बैन कर दो, आप एक सिंगर को बैन कर दो, आप एक मूवी बैन कर दो, आप न्यूज़पेपर्स के ऊपर आर्टिकल लिखना, कोई लिखता है तो उसके न्यूज़पेपर आर्टिकल को बैन कर दो. So banning is a easy solution, but it will have a negative approach in the society. It will add a harmful for society. It will harmful for society. Because why? Why? Because once ban is become a habit, then it's a danger for the democratic society or democracy. But this mean that we should never ban? आपको लगता है कि इससे इससे राइट भड़क सकते हैं, इससे बहुत कुछ घटनाएं घट सकती हैं. इट कुड बी इट कुड बी अ dark end of the society. It should not be happened. And they used to ban it they used to ban it. इससे सोसाइटी के ऊपर बहुत बड़ा बुरा प्रभाव पड़ने वाला है. बट डज दिस मीन दैट वी शुड नेवर बैन? क्या ये मतलब है कि हम जब कोई किताब छपे, suppose we think it will harm the society, we will ban? Or sometime we say that if freedom of expression is a birthright, so we never ban. तो हमें किसी चीज को बैन तो करना ही नहीं चाहिए. But does this mean that we should never ban? After all, we have to censorship of films. आपने देखा होगा फिल्म में censorship लगी होती है. एक एक ट्राइंगल लगा होता है किसी कई फिल्मों में, मीन्स इसके कई भागों को काट दिया गया है. राइट. where only a portion of a film is banned and not the whole film. तो इसमें क्या करते हैं कि कुछ चीजों को, जैसे कई मूवीज होती हैं जिसमें एक ट्राइंगल जुड़ा होता है, तो बेसिकली उस मूवी बोर्ड ऑफ सेंसर ऑफ इंडिया, तो नीचे एक ट्राइंगल लगा दिया जाता है। इट मीन्स उसके बहुत सारे पोर्शन को काट दिया गया है, इस डर से कि सोसाइटी शुड नॉट फेस एनी टाइप ऑफ क्योस, सोसाइटी के अंदर कोई क्योस ना हो जाए, नहीं, राइट। तो उसको बैन कर दिया जाता है, लेकिन वो होल फिल्म को बैन नहीं करते, सारी फिल्म को बैन नहीं होता, पर कुछ कुछ पार्ट बैन हो जाता है। द क्वेश्चन दैट इज ऑफन डिबेटेड therefore is when should be one ban and why should he not ban। तो क्वेश्चन होता है कि उसको क्यों बैन किया गया और किस हिस्से को बैन किया गया। should one never ban just for interest in England? Anyone who is employed to work for the royal household is outtrained by the contract, is construction from is constrained from writing about the inner affairs of the household. So if such a person were to leave the employment, there should be unable to give an interview or write an article or to author a book about the policies of the royal household. Is this an unjustifiable constraint on the freedom of expression? देखिए, मैंने अभी आपको कहा कि आप किसी भी फ्रीडम ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन को नेगेटिव और पॉजिटिव दोनों एस्पेक्ट्स है। यू कैन नॉट फोर्स anyone that he should think twice before express. Sometimes he never thinks, but it is said that it is always good if you think twice before express। लेकिन उनकी एक बार एक्सप्रेशन हो गया तो उसको उसको बैक गियर में डालना बड़ा मुश्किल, राइट। तो लाइक दिस, इससे पहले हम आगे पढ़ते हैं। constant of different constant of different kind thus exist and we are subject to them in different situations। constraints of different kind thus exist, कई तरह के constraints होते हैं, limitations होती है, वो एग्जिस्ट करेंगे ही करेंगे, वो सोसाइटी में होंगे ही होंगे। देखिए, स्पीड बैरियर होता है आपके पास। if you go to Panipat model town and if you go to easy day towards easy day, you will find on the road there are 10-15 speed breaks in same interval। 10 to 15 speed breakers are there। Why? Speed breakers are not going to harm you. You should attain that somebody is also, another one is also on the road. You should not make your vehicle without any limit of your speed। So if the brake is there, so automatically you will apply the brake and you will get slow। You will get slow। तो इससे क्या होगा? You will save yourself and another person from accident। तो ये एक्सीडेंट से आपको बचाता है स्पीड ब्रेकर। तो ये जो सेंसरशिप है ना, फ्रीडम ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन तो फुल स्पीड में भागता है, बट स्पीड ब्रेकर शुड बी देयर टू जज योरसेल्फ that am I speaking correct? Is my word, whatever the words are, is justiciable? क्या वो justiciable है? And many persons can have a discussion on some topic। when discussions are there, debates are there, deliberations are there, some type of mild arguments are there, it means you need some changes in your expression। You need some changes in your expression। So now, constraints of different kinds thus exist and we are subject to them in different situations। While reflecting on such situations, We need to realize that when constraints are backed by the organized social, religious or culture, और बेसिकली रिफ्लेक्ट कौन करता है, किस बेस पे होता है, रिलीजियस के बेस पे होता है, कल्चरल के बेस पे होता है। आप किसी चीज को रिजेक्ट करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो, इफ यू वांट टू रिजेक्ट समवन्स एक्सप्रेशन, किस बेस पे उसने एक्सप्रेशन किया, ये एक दो दो तीन चीजें ही होती है, या वो रिलीजन के बेस पे एक्सप्रेशन कर रहा है, या वो कल्चर के बेस पे एक्सप्रेशन कर रहा है, या अथॉरिटी के अगेंस्ट एक्सप्रेस कर रहा है, या स्टेट के अगेंस्ट एक्सप्रेस कर रहा है। इट डिपेंड्स इंडिविजुअल टू इंडिविजुअल, it depends individual to individual. However, we willingly or by the sake of pursuing our goals or ambitions accept certain restrictions. Our freedom is not similarly limited or similarly limited. देखिए कुछ एक्सप्रेशन को आपको रोक के रखना पड़ेगा, अदरवाइज इंडिया इज रियली ट्रू डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्री। इट्स अ ट्रू डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्री, सचमुच डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्री बनना चाहिए, राइट? सो our freedom is not similarly limited. In any case, if we are not forced into accepting the condition, then we cannot calm, calm that our freedom, claim that our freedom has been curtailed. So, यदि हम कंडीशन को एक्सेप्ट नहीं करते, कोई भी कंडीशन को, एक कंडीशन होता है यू शुड बी सिविलाइज, यदि हम बीइंग अ सिविलाइज की कंडीशन को एक्सेप्ट नहीं करते तो क्या हुए, अनसिविलाइज बन जाएंगे। हमें पता है कि यदि कुछ स्टेटमेंट से दो ग्रुप में झगड़ा हो जाएगा, दो रिलीजियस ग्रुप में झगड़ा होने का कंप्लीट मुद्दा है, दो ग्रुप आपस में लड़ पड़ेंगे। यदि इसके आफ्टर दैट ऑल्सो यू आर पब्लिशिंग योर arguments in the paper and the paper will publish it, then I think it should be punished, क्योंकि freedom of expression doesn't mean that you harm someone. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप किसी को नुकसान पहुंचाओ। Rest, I will do freedom of expression, I will continue. I think I will be able to finish it up by tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice time.